how you can get Starpets promo code. Now without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up Google Chrome. Any web browser is fine. After you do that, just search for Starpets promo code. Now after you search for it, you will get a lot of websites. You can just select any one that you want. I'll just select the one on the top. And after you do that, you will get the promo codes in the websites. Now make sure that you check the month and the expiration date before you select any promo code. Now after you do that, what you'll now need to do is you'll need to just copy the code, and to redeem it, what you'll need to do is scroll down. I'll teach you guys how to do that. Open up your Roblox, and after you open up your Roblox, you'll need to create Starpets account. After you do that, go to the exchange tab and copy the code exactly as it was found. You can just copy it and paste it. And after you do that, click on promo code. And after you do that, just as I said, paste the Starpets code in the allocated space and press on activate. After you do that, you will get the Starpets promo code activated. And yeah, that is how you do it. That's all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.